optical communication satellites. Track a diode in my eye, and you can see where I stand in front of this light about maybe 50 feet. Terahertz radiation presents. You may be able to distinguish some faces right in there. There's a face at the top. You see it right there. As I walk, you can see the optical satellite tracking me to the lights. Back to this light, you see holographic faces present in terahertz radiation above the light. You can see the laser targeting through the screen of the cell phone. You see this thing is clearly tracking me. This thing is putting my life in danger. Wherever I go, there's a bright moon in close proximity hovering over me. These people have been targeting me this way for almost 7 years, or a little bit over 7 years, trying to cause diversity using psychological warfare against me when I'm disabled. I've been disabled since 1975. In 2000, I was awarded a grant in my case. You see, this thing is clearly still tracking me. Let's stop right here. Wherever I walk, these lights harness terahertz radiation. Maybe distinguish some faces in there.